Hey y'all, it's your girl T Honor. I can only be me. Hey, 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 hey. Hey y'all, today I have a product review for you guys. And the company that I am going to be reviewing is Partu. Partu have an air purifier that is good for your home. It eliminates odors from your home, from pets, or musky smells, or it purifies the air. It also helps eliminate the dust in the air and stuff like that. So if you have allergies, if you have a cold, it's good for that. If you have like smells in your house from cooking, it eliminates that. But what I can say is that when you use this air purifier, it's good to designate it in just a certain spot of your house. It's not going to cover big areas of your home, but I can tell you that it definitely does work. I have had mine plugged in for a few days, and I've noticed. Matter of fact, I want to say it's been about a week that I've had it plugged in, and I can say for a fact that it do eliminate odors. And it just I don't know, it's just something about it. It gives my home just a whole different feel to it. And my husband, he have allergies and stuff like that. So in the area that he be in, I can tell you for a fact that he don't be doing all that sniffling and stuff like he used to. It has helped a lot with, you know, just especially when I cook and eliminating smells and stuff like that after you cook, especially when you're cooking seafood and stuff. It helps eliminate the smells out of the house. So I'm gonna let you guys know about this product and hope you guys like it, and y'all go and try them out. Okay, so this product is an air purifier, and it's model BS08. I already took it out of the box, so, and that's because I told you I had been testing out and trying it first. So it looks like this. It looks just like this, and it has colorful night lights. It have 3 settings to the fan, and it covers 12 M2. I don't know what that means. 12 M2. It has 3 fan adjustments, and the fan, it adjusts from low, medium to high. It have a night light. It has anion mode, and the anion mode releases 6 million of the anions per second to refresh the air. It has a filter replacement light. That way, when it's time for you to replace the filter or to clean your filter on the air purifier, the light will come on to let you know. It also has a memory function. So with the memory function, whenever you turn the air purifier off and turn it back on, it will automatically set to the normal settings that you have set it to. I could just say that I love it. So now I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is what the air purifier looks like. I love the sleekness of it, the color and everything. But this is the company, Partu. And the price of this air purifier is $69.99. Okay, so it says fresh air on the top. And this is the different fan settings right here. It have an on and off button. It have it has the light. It also has the what is that? That's the anion, and then this is the filter for the light. Lets you know when it needs to be cleaned. So I'm gonna plug it up and let you hear how it sounds. Okay, so when you hit the power button, it will come on, and it's already set. I had mine set on 3. You hit the power button and it comes on. You have a light. I've noticed that the light is right there. I didn't notice before, but it looked like the light changed colors too. I was wondering where this light was at. But look, y'all, it is a very dim light. It's not going to light up the whole room or nothing like that. It's a dim light. But I guess I never really paid much attention to it. At night, I noticed the red light, but that was it. But it's neat. You see, you got the different color lights to it. It's changing different colors. So that's cute. I like that. Okay, so you can hit that button and it'll, let me see what the light gonna do. Is it gonna stop it at one color? So it look like it's gonna pause it at one color when you hit it again, and then it'll turn it off. Okay, so you hit it like that and it's gonna let it, you know. So let me see if I do like that. It might pause it at that color. Yeah, so you can pause it at whatever color that you want. That's neat. and then it'll be off. Then you turn it back on and it'll switch through all the colors. Okay. Yeah, switching now. Okay, so then this button right here is the one for the anion, the particles that it lets out in the air, you know, to clean the air. So you have this off or on, which you want it on, and then this is the light right here to let you know when it's time to clean the filter. Now when you hit the fan, you can set the fan to either, it's off right now. Well, that was 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. But I keep mine on 3 because I try to let it work as much as it can work. Okay. But I'm gonna show y'all the bottom. Turn it off. And you're not supposed to do this while it's plugged up. So I'm gonna unplug it. And when you get it, the filter to the air purifier is in the bottom of the fan. In the bottom. So you flip it upside down. I didn't know at first. You take this off. And here's the filter. Right here. It have plastic around it. So when you get it, make sure that you take the plastic from around it and put it back in here, okay? But yeah, this is the filter for it, y'all. So you just take the filter, put it back in, and then it have a locking position. So you put it on the way it's supposed to go. You twist it and it snaps closed. I hope you guys like this product. It's by Partu. It's an air purifier. Until next time, peace, love, and many, many blessings to each and every one of you guys. See you later.